Okay, this question is to help with number 12, or the students help with number 12 from quiz, and we have to find the sum of the finite arithmetic series. So basically, we have to add all these terms up. All right, and so one of the tricks is you have to know all the different formulas. So the formula sheet, again, you can find that online on Schoology. For an arithmetic series sum, it'll say the sum of n terms, the number of terms divided by 2, and then add the first term plus the last term, a1 and an. So in this particular question, um, we have most of the things we need. The first term and the last term are 7 and 49. But what we don't know is how many terms we have. Right? We don't know what n is. We know this is the first term, second term, third term, but we don't know what is n, what term number is 49. Right? So to figure that out, we can write the explicit formula for the arithmetic series. So we got to use a second formula here. All right, and the explicit formula says the value for the nth term will be the first term plus d, the common difference, times n minus 1, the term minus 1. All right, so for this particular pattern, a1 is 7, the common difference is 3. Okay, and then we just got to clean this up a little bit. So we have 3n minus 3, and then combine like terms. So we get 4 plus 3n. Right? So now we can use this formula to say, all right, we know an, the value is 49, but we don't know what n is. So we're going to put in 49 for the value and solve this to get n. So solving this, subtract 4, so you get 45 equals 3n. Divide by 3, and n would be 15. Okay, so that tells us that 49 is the 15th term in the pattern. And so that means we're summing 15 terms. So now we just have to crunch away on this. So that's going to be 15 divided by 2 times 56. Okay, and then just type that in your calculator and we'll get the sum for all of these terms. So our solution here is 420. 7.5 times 56. And that kind of makes sense. If you think about adding all these together, you can imagine that it'd come out to be about 420. All right, hope that helps.